Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie bowl that's tropical and refreshing that even he would want to eat. This smoothie bowl is so simple to make. All you're going to need is cinnamon, ginger, 1 cup of frozen mango and pineapple, half a banana, half a cup of spinach, half a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Once all of your ingredients are in, you're ready to go and blend it until it's smooth. Once it's blended, you can pour it into your bowl. Once the smoothie is in your bowl, it's time to add toppings. So for this, I'm going to add shredded coconut, chia seeds, and my homemade granola. So then the bowl is gonna look like this. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. So now we're gonna do a live taste test. Gotta get all of the toppings in it. Very refreshing, very tropical. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you tried out this recipe or if you want to try it in the future. We'll see you in the next video. I need to get away with this because Moo is gonna eat it.